Everyone, my name's Beth and I'm the Living Seas Engagement Officer for the Wildlife Trust of South and West Wales. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do some ocean origami and make your very own paper crab.
Origami is nice and simple. All you need is a square piece of either paper or card. It can be patterned like mine or plain, it's up to you. If, like me, your sheet is patterned, you'll want to start with the colourful side facing down. From here, you're going to fold your piece of paper in half once, and then you're going to fold it in half again. Pressing down on the folds means that your finished crab will be more structurally stable. Next, you'll want to open up your square by pushing into the furthermost inside corner with your fingers and bringing the paper across to make a triangle. Flip your paper over and repeat. You should be left with a nice triangle to finish. Now, all crabs need claws. Fold one half of your triangle over the other like so, and fold inwards at around 60 degrees. Fold your triangle back and repeat. In this case, this crab is going to have claws of the same size, but yours can be different if you'd prefer. Flip your paper over so that the claws are underneath, and fold the tip of your remaining triangle towards the centre. You'll then want to fold the remaining corners of the triangle like so. These are going to make your crab's legs. And there you have it, your finished crab. The only thing left to add is the eyes. You can do this using pencil or a pen, or as we have, Sharpie. If you're using a permanent marker, make sure to ask an adult for help. You can recreate your origami crabs with different colours and patterns. And remember, you can get as close to these claws as you like. Thank you for joining me for Ocean Origami. Keep an eye out for more of our events throughout the week.